Welcome, and congratulations on taking the first steps towards learning about radar informatics with application of glaciology. My name is Jerome Mitchell, and throughout this MOOC, I will explain incrementally how remote sensing technologies, such as radar, can be used to sound the rapidly changing ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica, and how the data collected from these instruments can be used for understanding the effects of global climate change. Informatics drives innovation, which defines future approaches to information and knowledge from a variety of disciplines. Informatics researchers develop, introduce, and evaluate methods using diverse techniques in areas such as text image mining, databases, and algorithms for analyzing large amounts of data. The practice of informatics is interdisciplinary, as can be seen on this slide. Big data have fundamentally changed the practices of radar, climate, and earth science, as well as in other disciplines such as medicine, security, and biology. Informatics, however, is becoming a key role in the data deluge era by developing innovative tools for gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data from various sources in an X application. Universities have also created and refined courses in data science, which discusses solutions to developing modern techniques for an organization's growing data problem. The motivation for this MOOC is to provide an understanding of how remote sensing technologies can acquire data from the Earth's poles, and why there's a dire necessity to use sophisticated techniques in computer vision to analyze these data at a large scale. To motivate further, this and the next few slides are mosaics of a changing Greenland ice sheet. The darker region in the center is the percolation zone. This area is the dry snow zone with no surface melting occurring. The brighter regions along the coast signal significant melting. But as can be seen in 2000, the edge of the darker region is slowly disappearing. Much more of the darker region in 2005. In order to better understand the rapid changes in Greenland and Antarctica, we have collected a half a petabyte of data from a variety of data sources in order to study the polar ice sheets by mapping the bedrock surface and internal layers, which are important for the study of ice and their contribution to global climate change. These image features are used by domain scientists to determine the accumulation rate and ice thickness. I hope this introduction has motivated you to learn more about radar informatics with application of glaciology. The next lessons will focus on remote sensing, global climate change, and highlight how meltwater at the base of an ice sheet can become very detrimental. I'll also give you an overview of radars from a non-equation perspective and explain how informatics is used to analyze the large subsurface data sets.